Module 6, Lessons 11 and 12. In this lesson, we will review strategies to solve two-digit addition problems. You will need paper and pencil. Let's solve 40 plus 30. Some strategies we can use to solve this problem are: number 1, think about what 4 plus 3 equals. Number 2, change the number sentence to the say 10 way and add. Or number 3, draw quick tens to solve. Pick one of these 3 strategies and solve it on your paper. Strategy 1. 4 plus 3 equals 7, so 40 plus 30 equals 70. Strategy 2 is 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens, so 40 plus 30 equals 70. And strategy 3 is just drawing your quick tens. 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 10, 20, 30. 40 plus 30 equals 70. Let's solve 45 plus 30. Here are some strategies that you can choose. Number 1, a number bond, or number 2, quick tens and ones drawing. Choose one of these strategies and solve this problem on your paper. Strategy 1 is using a number bond. Look at 45 plus 30. Notice that I decomposed or broke down 45 into 2 parts. It is made of 5 and 40. I put my 40 right here with this 30 because 40 plus 30 equals 70. Now I have this number 5 left, so 70 plus 5 equals 75. Strategy 2 is drawing with quick tens and ones. I have 4 tens and 5 ones plus 3 more tens. This is 40 plus 30 is 70, and then 5 ones, 75. Let's solve 51 plus 40. You can either use a number bond or your quick tens and ones drawing. Choose a strategy and solve it on your paper. If you chose strategy 1 using a number bond, there again we decompose 51 into 50 and 1. I put my 50 on the same side with this 40 so that I can circle it together. 50 plus 40 equals 90. 90 plus 1 equals 91. If you drew it using your quick tens, this is what strategy 2 would look like. 5 tens, 1 1, plus 4 tens. 50 plus 40 equals 90 and 1, 91. We're going to solve 24 plus 60. You can either use a number bond or your quick tens and ones drawing. Choose a strategy and solve on your paper. The number bond would say 24 plus 60. I decompose 24 into 20 and 4. Notice again how I put my 20 with my 60. Because 20 plus 60 equals 80, I have 4 ones left. 80 plus 4 equals 84. Strategy 2 is 2 tens and 4 ones plus 6 tens, which gives you 24 plus 60 equals 84. Let's solve 24 plus 13. You can either choose a number bond or quick tens and ones drawing. Pick a strategy and solve it on your paper. With a number bond, this time I broke down the number 13 into 10 and 3. 24 plus 10 equals 34. I had 3 ones left over, so 34 plus 3 gives me a total of 37. Strategy 2, using your quick tens and ones, I drew 2 tens and 4 ones plus 1 10 and 3 ones. That gives me a total of 3 tens and 7 ones to make the number 37. Let's solve 54 plus 13. Pick either a number bond or your quick tens and ones drawing and solve on your paper. "54 plus 13. I decompose 13 into 10 and 3. 54 plus 10 equals 64. Don't forget about these 3 ones. So 64 plus 3 equals 67. Using my quick tens and ones drawing, I started off with 5 tens, 4 ones, and then I drew 1 more 10 and 3 ones. If I put this together, I have a total of 6 tens, 7 ones, and that makes the number 67. Let's solve 45 plus 45. Again, you can choose a number bond or your quick tens and ones drawing. Choose one of those strategies and solve this problem on your paper. My numbers are the same, 45 plus 45. So I took this 45 and I decomposed it or broke it apart into 40 and 5. 45 plus 40. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. So 45 plus 40 gives me 85. Then I have 5 more ones. So 85 plus 5 equals 90. Strategy 2, my quick tens and ones. Here I have 4 tens, 5 ones, plus 4 tens and 5 ones. Notice when you put your 5 ones plus 5 more ones together, 5 plus 5 is 10. That gives you 1 more 10. So now I have 9 tens, which is the same as 90. Let's solve this problem. 63 plus what equals 93? Here are some strategies you could use to solve this problem. You can count on by tens, or you can count on with your quick tens and ones drawing. Choose one of these strategies and solve it on your paper. Strategy 1 looks like this. You start with 63, and to get from 63 to 93, we have to go up 3 tens. 63 plus 10 equals 73. 73 plus 10 equals 83. 83 plus 10 equals 93. So 3 tens is the same as 30. So 63 plus 30 equals 93. Strategy 2 is to draw 63 with quick tens and ones. We would start off with 63 and draw quick tens until we come up to 93. So if this is 63 plus 10 is 73, plus another 10 is 83, and one more 10 is 93. So again, we added 30. 63 plus 30. All right, let's do one with some coins. Solve 62 cents plus 3 dimes. Remember, you're not drawing quick tens and ones now. You're drawing dimes and pennies. Solve 62 cents plus 3 dimes on your paper. Here, I drew out 62 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. And then I drew 3 more dimes. 10, 20, 30. You can put all your tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Or start with 62 and then count on by 10. 62, 72, 82, 92. In today's lesson, we practice using quick 10 drawings and the number bond way to solve addition with 2-digit numbers.